Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're back with LTC coin. Now, since last time basically nothing much changed, so we are still in this bullish trend on the daily time frame, and we are still aiming for this $300 area to be reached. Can't say exact time when, but as soon as we see this momentum to break out on the Ethereum, so forming a new all-time high, and also for the Bitcoin to form potentially all new time around 140k, this would be the momentum for the LTC coin to show its potential, which should give us pretty good risk and reward ratio position, even if we would go and open from exact current market price area, because if we would strengthen the risk and reward ratio or the stop loss to this local supported trend here, even here we can see the risk and reward ratio is 1 to 3, and we would use this red area for the dollar cost averaging the position, so DCAing. But basically that's the game plan that we have currently. So we see that there is still a chance to go and make at least $150, sorry, 150% of market price movement. So daily time frame, everything's the same, we are bullish. Now let's go to the, won't go to the 4-hour time frame, let's go to the hourly time frame actually. And a few things that instantly catch attention. So our favorite CM gap, the bearish one, although, and 200 EMA. We see that 200 EMA going actually into the 4-hour time frame, just to have a peek. So let's currently remain on the 4-hour time frame. So we had a retest of the EMAs. We had this shift away from the EMAs, formed also the CMA gap, which was an ideal shorted position actually, but of course we missed it. Then we had a retest, another push, and now price has consolidated and more of like sideways movement happened here. So what's now? Now what we are going to look or wait for, let's go to the hourly time frame now again, and few things. So going to zoom in, and what we see is, give me the, how many years been using those things and still can't remember properly where everything is. So we have this like a turnover point below the 200 EMA on the hourly time frame, and some kind of break of structure or market structure break in this case actually happening as of right now. So we had a breakout. Let's go into even smaller time frames, like 5-minute time frame. So we had this turnover area, now we had the breakout, retest, and now a bullish momentum is forming here. Now going to the hourly time frame, we see that this candle here and this one, they're both basically left multiple unfilled gaps here. First is this one, and second is this one. So those two areas are going to be our short-term targets for the LTC coin, which would open and give us a potential movement of, let me take a look from the current market price, like 4% of market price movement with risk and reward ratio being 1 to 4, which is actually pretty good at current state. The buyers have secured the 200 EMA region or area. We had a turnover, we had the breakout structure, and we have two unfilled gaps. So seems pretty good momentum for a potential upside movement from here. So there's not much more to talk about. Both on the smaller time frame and on the bigger time frame, we are always bullish on the LTC coin, because even if we would form a trade here, or if we would reach this upper resistance trend area here, this might be some kind of like a rejection area as well for us. But nevertheless, with time, we still see that price should reach this $300 mark. So that's it for the LTC coin. Take an opportunity on the smaller time frames, and as always, thank you for watching this video.